Hey listener, this is Tarun K. Menon, mentor for Middle Income Group, who's going to present this presentation for you to know about me and how can I help you to get transform your life and achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. I started this mentoring activities in a company name called New Art Mentor LLP. It has been started along with my partner, Mr. R. Srinivasamurthy from Bangalore. Me, Tarun K. Menon, age 58 years and having 40 years of work experience, and I can read and write English, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, and little bit of Hindi. Basically, I'm a Keralite, born and brought up in Chennai, studied schooling in Tamil, then did my degree in Chennai, then moved to a job towards Andhra. There I met my wife. We got into love and we got married. And now I am in for the past 2 decades in Karnataka, Bangalore. So basically, I can say that I'm a South Indian. I have one wife, she's a homemaker, one son, he's working, one daughter who is studying. Out of my 40 years working experience, 34 years I worked in different industries, that is mainly into seafood exports, travel and tourism, digital media and telecommunication. The rest of the 6 years I just entered into mentoring to find out the purpose of my life. When I tried to find out the purpose of my life, I got into somebody's mentoring activities. Through that, I got some light in my brain and I came to know what is the purpose of my life. So through that, my learning, I started helping people, and a lot of people have been get transformed through my mentoring activities. To know more about me, you can watch my videos in the YouTube channel of mine. The link has been given here. You can just click this link and it will lead you to my YouTube video. My professional mentors who made me as I am now. Rajiv Talreja in business activities, Siddharth Rashekar in online activities, Gerald Arundas in understanding human, Sunil Parekar about NLP and human right, Tony Robinson into total humanity, Siddharth Shah into strict on to one particular decision and how to make money out of it, Mitesh Khatri to law of attraction and other activities. Apart from this, my role models are my spiritual gurus Asanji and Mahatreyaji. My inspirational guru R.C. Nathan, who is the founder of Apna from Bangalore. When we started this mentoring activities in New York Mentor name, then after 4 years, we all came to know that the corona came and hit everybody. So even we got an affected in that corona because our mentoring activities happening to man. But after this COVID, we couldn't meet anyone. So we stopped our offline activities and we thought of starting into online, but we don't want to continue in the same style and we don't want to continue in the same name because everybody was lost their career, life, business, everything. So we want to start a fresh one. Even in our name should give the confidence. So we formed a new company under the banner of New York Mentor LLP, that is called Rags to Richness. Through that, we started our online activities. So even in the name selection itself, we want to get a transformation. Whoever is seeing our company name, our mission is migrate 15,000 knowledge sharing person year on year as an individual digital entrepreneurs, make them to take independent responsibility for their lives, prepare them to face their life fearlessly, and our vision is enhance the lifestyle of middle income group, simple and practical mentoring methods, making more income source, stress-free lifestyle, and lifelong support. We believe whoever want to excel in their life or whoever want to achieve in their life, they should have a strong foundation. So all our mentoring based on only one formula which has been taken from our great Mr. Bruce Lee. He used to say, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once. but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So when we do the mentoring activities, we'll find out the one particular capability which is hidden within our mentee, and we try to exploit that, expose that, experience that, and we'll make them to be strong in that particular domain of our mentees. We won't teach anything new, or we are not going to make any scientific studies and all. We just try to change the mindset of our mentors so that we will remove the old mindset and we will indulge the new mindset where which will give you a lot of positiveness, which will give a lot of confidence to them to achieve what they want to achieve in their life. We do this mentoring activities through different media forms, that is like affirmations, visualizations, manifestation, law of attraction, NLP, virtual meeting, and through some of our ebook library. Here, I would request whoever is viewing this presentation to take a chance to select their optional of life and change the life what they are living and to enter into a transformational lives. This I can put it in three C's, that is chance, choice, and change. This can be coined in a single quote like this: if you don't take the chance to make the choice, you will never change in life. So herewith, you got a chance to choose your life. Through that choosing, you can change your life. I am there to help you. If you want any type of mentoring, please be in touch with me to get that transformation what you want to achieve through my mentoring. My commitments to you: once you become my mentee, till the day I die, I drive you. I will make your mind to see what your eyes saw. Normally, whatever we saw, it cannot get registered by our mind. Unless and until the things registered in our mind, we cannot do the things what we want to do. So we teach you this in a specialized way. We are not going to teach you anything new to you. Rather, we will make you to understand a new you to you. I will teach you why the way we working is not working. So these four principles only we maintain in our all mentoring activities. Herewith I am giving you my contact details where you can call me in these numbers. In case if you are calling, if I am not answered, don't get annoyed, don't get disappointed. I may be taking some videos like this, or I may be mentoring somebody like you. I'll be back very soon. This is my social media handles. You can get connect with me through the social media handles. Ultimately, we want to bring every one of our mentee to the best version of themselves. In that mode only we do all our mentoring activities. We help you to succeed. So kindly help me to help you by giving your details, explaining your challenges so that I can understand what type of mentality you are having. Based on that, I can continue my mentoring activities. And let me say thanks about my short description watching and waiting to hear from you and help you. And this is Tarun K. Menon, mentor for Middle Income Group.